Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Friday, March 22nd. This is David, and we're going to take a look at Apple here this evening. Of course, it has been struggling in the past several weeks. And as we look at it from the perspective of the voodoo lines, which have a strong component of Fibonacci inside of them, we can see that the most important level in the area is this primary degree voodoo fire line at 180.66. So this is certainly going to be an important over under, but it hasn't been the main area that things have reflected at. You've seen that we've been able to get above that level to this 196.70 voodoo snow line at recent all-time highs. Those snow lines are third degree levels, right? And similarly, snow lines down here that have mostly kept things contained to the downside, save for this spike down to the 164.62 snow line. So when we see oscillation like this around a more important level, then we're still going to treat that important level, in this case the 180.66 fire line, as the important over under, but it tells us that we need to see a commitment to beyond the snow line on either side to show us which way that Apple wants to travel as it exits sort of the gravitational pull of that 180.66 level. So what that's telling us here in the case of Apple is that the excursion that we've had to the downside, since it has carried us to below that fire line, and the recent bounce in here has failed to get back above there, that is concerning for Apple, but it hasn't yet come back so much that that it's going to break the potential for more upside. Getting below the snow line here at 170.75 and getting bounces which stay below it, particularly if the follow through carries through 164.62, that would be far more problematic and would leave a more significant test at the second degree level down here at 154.71. Meanwhile, look, things would shift somewhat more bullish back above 180.66 and support above there, but to feel like the uptrend was clearly continuing rather than just something that was still possible, we would need to push back above that 196.70 level with support above something that eluded the name when it was last making all-time highs. Now, I'm going to get to recording the premium video in just a minute and talk through the reasons why in the indices we're looking maybe for a little more upside here, but then potentially putting in some sort of a top that could last at least for a little while. And Apple, of course, has not been participating with the market making new all-time highs over the past several days, but if it's able to bounce with the broad market in the next few days, as I'm looking for things to go higher, if it gets again rejected by the fire line, then we could see Apple sell off with the market if it indeed does sell off. In any case, bounces into that level, which continue to get rejected or continue to get above there multiple times, then that would also aid in or at least increase our focus on the potential that we then eventually break these snow lines and continue down. So that's what I've got in my mind as I watch Apple over the next couple of days, the important levels, and trying to figure out what course it is on and what direction its trend is. We will see which voodoo lines it breaks, moving away from the fire line when it does move away, and try and gauge the next direction from there. I hope you found this useful, and I will see you at the next update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.